Hello. So I am just driving. Today's a crazy day. I also am a makeup educator for a cosmetology school. So that is like yet another job I've added with my freelance job. I take care of some business with them this morning just to get my instructor's license, which is amazing. An amazing perk for instructing the next generation of artists. So I have to do that first, and then literally right after that, off to the styled shoot, the blush and burgundy styled shoot. So I'm going to take you guys along for the entire thing, and we are just going to rock out together. So I'm going to take you along to this styled shoot with me. It is entitled Blush and Burgundy. Those are the colors for this shoot. And styled shoots are something that makeup artists can be a part of, especially bridal artists, to just flex their creativity. This one was at the beautiful White Sparrow, and I'll take you along. Hey guys, so I made it to the White Sparrow. It's so beautiful. It's my second time here. I'm running a tad bit late. I had some crazy stuff to do this morning, so I'm gonna head in and get started, and I'm gonna set my camera up, and I'll show you some scenery and stuff when we get in there, but I'm gonna set it up, and we're gonna take some cool video of the ladies getting ready. So I'm going to do a quick little voiceover here just to catch y'all up to speed. I had 3 models for this styled shoot today, and this is my second model. I unfortunately did not get any footage of the first, but I will show you some beautiful pictures. All the models were amazing, so please enjoy. And that is the conclusion of this shoot. I just want to thank Foxbell Weddings for putting this on, and all of the ladies that were involved, all of the vendors that were involved, and please enjoy some of these beautiful photos from the entire shoot. Thanks for watching.